And they're up early lead is taken by Tony Quarter. And moving up now, Showtime Lady from the outside, Royal Harris. Then followed by Lover of All Twining Honor, Maimpok. Passing the winning pose, Showtime Lady, leading Balang, followed by Lover of All in second. Royal Harris from the outside, third Twining Honor, Maimpok. Running by the wheel is Tony Quarter, then followed by Kiss Me Sweet, Eliza. And going along for the first turn, Showtime Lady, leading Baha Falang, followed by Lover of All. Royal Harris racing third, Maimpok. Around the outside now is Twining Honor, then followed by Tony Quarter. 5 lengths away to Sweet Eliza. Here comes 5 o'clock, Kiss Me, sneaking in Terrible Heart. Then followed by Imperial Story and Sharp Eye. Down the half mile they travel, it's now Laberable, followed now by Royal Harris, Twining Honor now from the outside. Inside the 600, Laberable, Twining Honor, moves up now the outside, grab the leader. And inside the last 400, it's now Twining Honor, followed by the couple runner, Royal Harris. And Laberable dropping in third towards the final turn. Twining Honor leads by some 3 lengths, Royal Harris. And here comes entry number 11, that's 5 o'clock. But still, Twining Honor leads by some 4 lengths, followed now by 5 o'clock in second, and finally Twining Honor. 5 o'clock, Royal Harris, Maimpok, Lover of All, Sharp Eye, Terrible Heart, Sweet Eliza.